This is felt fabric, and this is also felt fabric. Let me show you how I went from this to this in under 1 minute. The first thing I do is trim down my piece of felt so it's the size that I want, and then I'm going to iron out any folds or creases I want to get rid of. Next, load it into my laser cutting machine, and this is where the pieces get cut out that I'm going to be using for the flower. These were drawn by me in Adobe Illustrator. Once the pieces are cut out, I'm going to set them on my table in an organized way so I know where everything's at. I'm going to clean off the tip of my glue gun and load it with a glue stick. So the first pieces I'm going to start with are actually in a different color. This is the center part of the flower, and these strips are rolled into a spiral, and it's just like the foundation. It's a structural part of the flower. So this circle with detailed cuts is going to go over the top of that, and that's what you'll see. The next part are the fringe petals in the exact same color, and all of this together is the center part of the flower. From here is where I'm going to start using this other color and really build out the flower. I'm going to start with these smaller basic petals. There's a set of 8 for the first layer, set of 8 for the second, and this is where things start to get more exciting. So these larger petals have some really cool detailed cuts. They just go halfway into the fabric, not all of the way through. And these go on in sets of 5. So 1 layer of 5 and a second layer of 5. And with that, the flower is complete. So from a flat piece of fabric all the way to this. Let me know what you think.